I just say we're going to give you complimentary maintenance for 3 years, I have created no value, Gio. Okay? I need to create value. And you notice I don't use the word free. Mr. Stearns, are those oil changes we provide the customers and the tire rotations, are they free?
No.
Someone is paying for those oil changes and tire rotations, and it would be Mr. Stearns. So I never use the word free. I draw this analogy. If I gave you a coupon for a free lunch at a restaurant, and I looked over at Jacob and said, Jacob, I'd like to buy you lunch today, which one sounds more valuable? It could be exactly the same lunch, okay? But the fact that I'm buying it for Jacob and giving you a free coupon, the value is significantly higher with Jacob. Same thing. So we're going to, and this is what I would tell a customer. I'd say, look, we've got a great service department. Gio, you don't know that yet, so we're willing to pay you to use our service department for the next 3 years. Over those next 3 years, that's 4 oil changes, 4 tire rotations. At retail, that's $75 per visit. So we're willing to pay you $300 to use our service department because we believe if you give us that chance, you will fall in love with it and you will continue to use it. It's not charitable, it's a business decision on our part. But you need to use the dollar amount because if you're going to give me $5, I like you. If you give me $300, I like you a lot. Okay? Resistall, let the customer know that we have coated the inside and out with a protective shield that will keep their car looking better longer. Okay? NitroFill, as studied by Clemson University, will provide you up to 50% longer tire life. It'll keep your tires inflated at the proper level through heat and cold, and it will also provide you better fuel economy. Okay? 72-hour exchange. You can't get stuck with the wrong vehicle when you buy it from County Ford. You got 3 days basically to test it out. If you don't like it after 3 days and you haven't put more than 300 additional miles on the odometer and you haven't run into anything, bring it on back and we'll exchange it for another. It's not a return policy. It's an exchange policy. And my favorite one, you can't pay too much. Okay? Now, can you do all that just like I did it?
Maybe.
No, not even close. Okay?